But journalists is looking at two mediocre press releases, and they know that they can do a story on either one, but one has an amazing quote. They know when they're done with that article, that amazing quote is going to be like a stamp of pride there, and it's going to really resonate and carry the article. Where if the other one just has a safe quote, the quotes that look like they've just been written by committee and they don't say anything very strong, it's not going to stand out. So they will definitely choose yours. What makes an amazing quote? It could be your wordsmith, but I also recognize most people didn't go to a creative writing program like me. So, strong active verbs, saying something very concise and succinct and powerful. If they were to paraphrase that sentence or at maximum 2 sentences in your quote, if they paraphrased it, someone who had read the previous quote would say, oh, he said it much better. I liked how it was. That's a good measure that you've written a pretty decent quote. And so, again, active verbs do well. A contrarian quote also does really well, where you just stand counter to everybody else, can do really well. But if you take that approach to AI, I don't have a problem with using it, because the end product is an original article written by a journalist. You just have to make sure that what is written by AI is accurate. There's just not making stuff up that's factually inaccurate, and that you're comfortable with what's written there.
Yeah, my experience with AI is I actually like to write something first, and then I look at it and I'm like, it's either too bland, or I need to beef up this or beef up, and then give very specific instructions to the AI of, here's what I wrote, here's the target audience, here's what I'm trying to reach, here's what I'm trying to do. And like what you said, quite frankly, if I let AI write too much, it's just picking up all kinds of trash on the internet, and it will bring back things that are not true.
Yeah, and if you ask
it'll bring
AI to write
comments as a quote, as factual, and they're not, they're opinions.
I find that when AI writes an entire press release, it's that type of writing that's written by committee. It's safe, it's nothing inaccurate, but it's not strong writing. And so I find having it have a mission for each paragraph and giving you options is a better way to sort of tease out stronger copy, more focus, and really bridge piece by piece.
Yeah, and I remember in high school, my journalism teacher told us that the first paragraph is no more than 25 to 30 words, and it reinforces your headline. And then the next paragraph then reinforces that, and then you got kind of the body, and then you close with a strong hook or whatever. But I don't know whether that's changed at all, but I'll never forget that.
It's very similar.